This well-designed 5-bedroom home has the required services for a large-size family. The building covers a considerable square meters of land. The designer ensured that all the family's needs are within reach, hence making the lives of dwellers easy and comfortable. The building details are as follows. The design has a total number of 5 bedrooms with 3 washrooms. The building, which sits suitably on a land of area 720 square meters, has an area of 210.3 square meters, leaving us with enough space for car parking and other outdoor activities. This is clearly shown on the aerial shot. The approximate cost of construction is $63,090. Please stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thank you. The layout of the plan comprises a welcoming terrace which leads us directly to the living room. The dining room and kitchen share a common wall. The kitchen has a storeroom which can double as a general store. The master bedroom is the only room which is a suite. The other 4 bedrooms share 2 washrooms. There are 3 washrooms for both occupants and visitors. Walk through the living room. Walk through dining room. Walk through kitchen. Walk through master bedroom with its washroom. An aerial walkthrough of the 4 other bedrooms with their washrooms. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.